that scene is how I really understood why people call Shah Rukh baby girl, and that is how I really understood. That's how I really understood what baby girl actually means.
Don't tell me nobody noticed this. I can give a hint. तुम लोग मेरा क्विज फ्लॉप कर रहे हो यार.
तुमने इतना टफ क्विज क्यों बनाया है?
Such dreaminess to the movies, entrance and everything, just so beautiful. I'm already feeling कि सब अच्छी चीजें होंगी, अच्छे सिम करना है बस. I just enjoyed it so much. I was smiling through and through.
Hello. Welcome back to 10 रुपए की पेप्सी, हमारा शाहरुख सेक्सी.
तुम इंग्लिश में बोलने वाले थे अभी.
10 rupees is the cost.
10 rupees is the cost of Pepsi. Well, that is the official English name of our podcast in certain legal documents, which will go undisclosed. Yeah. Anyways, welcome everybody who's listening. Welcome to the new listeners if you're there. We are three friends who review a Shah Rukh Khan movie every week, and that's it. We simp over them and don't expect any objectivity. That's my new introduction to the podcast. This week we're reviewing Yes Boss, which was selected by Diksha and me combined. Why we selected it? What was the reason? I'm forgetting. Basically, Diksha just wanted a nice simpy SRK movie after
And
1, 2
we decided to do a 90s film, na?
So we do 90s, 2000s, 2010s in alternate, and Yes Boss is a very, very simpy SRK movie, as you get to know from our conversations here on Fort, which I also realized. I had seen the movie way back, right? So I didn't rewatched it much. Anyways, I'll give a very short plot summary of what the movie is about, and then we can sort of move to how Preeti and Disha, you guys have liked the movie. So anyways, so SRK plays Rahul, the famous.
Once again. Rahul नाम तो सुना ही होगा.
Rahul, no.
Is this the first Rahul movie that we're doing though? Has he been Rahul in any of the movies we've done so far? No?
No.
We haven't done a Rahul yet.
So introducing Rahul, guys.
Introducing Rahul to this podcast. Yes. What was the first Rahul movie Shah Rukh did though? Do you guys know?
I think Dar.
Trivia question.
Dar na Rahul Mera? Rahul Mera, no.
Yeah. Has to be Dar. Dar ke pehle to nahi tha.
I would guess Dar.
I think Dar hi tha. Yeah, definitely Dar. Yeah, that's true. Oh wow! From that Rahul to Rahul Raichan, he's come a long way. All right, cool.
I feel like now every Rahul has you can see some color of the Dar Rahul in every Rahul, except for maybe Raichan, because Raichan is perfect. But we'll come to that another time.
Because वो शाहरुख तो है ना, that psychotic behavior is very natural to him, I feel. तो वो आ जाता है. Yeah. Anyhow, so the movie is about Rahul Joshi, who's a middle class salaried employee working for Siddharth, who's this rich playboyish guy.
Spoiled brat. Annoying.
Those are very nice terms. Yeah. What are the worst terms?
Sorry, my mom is sleeping in the next room. I don't want to use worse words.
Worse words. Yeah, but basically like a horny guy. And with very nefarious attentions towards most of the women he meets. So this guy,
even though he's married into wealth. Yeah.
So he marries into wealth. He marries for wealth. He he's handed over the business by his father-in-law. Therefore, he's rich, but he's a complete womanizer. And Shah Rukh plays a guy who's very aspirational. He wants to get ahead in life. His mother is unwell. He wants to get her operation done. So he wants to make money. That is his end game. And his boss is his way to get there, because he's promised him an advertising agency in which he will be the head of, and therefore he'll be a rich man someday. that's his goal, and he does all these odd tasks for him. He'll break up with girls for him. He'll find girls for him. He'll lie to girls for him. Mostly it's about girls, and he
He's
lie
the
to his wife, and
the
he's
OG
the
yes man. Like just saying yes
yeah,
boss
yeah,
to everything. Yes
yeah,
boss. Yes
yeah.
boss.
So
Yes boss.
yeah,
Okay
so
boss.
he's
Yes boss.
true, and yeah, basically that's the premise of why it's called Yes Boss, and then here enters Juhi Chawla, and he's basically love at first sight for Shah Rukh. He really likes her, but so does his boss Aditya Pancholi when he sees Juhi Chawla for the first time in a beauty competition because she's an aspiring model. And Juhi Chawla also is very ambitious, and she says, "I want to be rich. If I'm not, if I can't be rich, I will just marry someone rich." And that's how she falls in love with Siddharth, who plays this very innocent guy in front of her and tells her he loves her and wants to marry her. And even though she finds out later that he's already married, he sort of tells her, I'm in a broken marriage, which is obviously, obviously a lie, and he
I
convinces her.
mean it's kind of true.
So,
Although his wife doesn't
I
know.
mean, his wife doesn't. The
He
marriage is
doesn't know
broken,
till
but
the
it's
end
not for his
only.
wife doesn't know. Wife
Yeah,
never does found out.
wife
Yeah.
never finds out. Matlab,
Wife
bichari
never finds
Kashmira
out.
Shah, just she's probably still
Yeah.
married to Aditya Pancholi in that universe, and he's
Yeah,
still
that's my
cheating on her.
biggest
And
complaint from the movie. Yeah, man. It was
और
just
उसने
that's
this.
my
उसको
only
चीटर बना
complaint from the
दिया.
movie.
उसने उसको
He
चीटर
makes
बना दिया.
he
मतलब ये तो
paints her as
to
the
sleep
cheater.
with a
That
girl.
is,
It's like so twisted.
yeah. But like he builds a very elaborate con just to sleep with Juhi Chawla. That's like he इतना सब करता है यार. मतलब ऐसा क्या desperation है? But he like hires her, takes her outside on a trip, gets her fake married to Rahul because now he's told his wife कि देखो she's married to Rahul and that's why I'm not having an affair with her. So there's a whole pot boiler of things that happen. They go somewhere else. But at some point, Rahul realizes he really loves her, and Juhi Chawla also realizes that she does love Rahul, and that mostly happens when she meets his mother, who thinks Juhi is his actual wife and treats her as her daughter-in-law. And the whole Bollywood trope और करवा चौथ उसके लिए व्रत भी रखती है and पूजा वूजा भी करती है and all
And they
that
have a lot
jazz,
of
and then
cute
she
moments together.
and yeah, they have a very typical daughter-in-law, mother-in-law
Oh, I
moments,
was talking
and
about Rahul.
I
oh,
Sorry,
think
sorry,
Kenju.
थाली उसके ऊपर रखती
different
है.
lenses that we're looking at
I don't care about the
from.
mother-in-law.
Yeah, I mean, of course they have cute moments together, but yeah, so when they're outside, when Siddharth, the boss, cannot be with his mistress, Juhi Chawla, his employee Rahul is the one who sort of takes her around the city and sings for her and all of that. And yeah, it's a very nice, cutesy, montage of things that happen. They do fall in love, and eventually Aditya Pancholi realizes, yeah, ठीक है, ऐसा तो नहीं होने वाला. She's too nice, and she will not say yes to me like that. And so he also realizes that Shah Rukh is in love with her. He gives Shah Rukh the agency, ad agency, or claims to
Pretends to
give it to
give.
her, or
Mm.
pretends to give it to her, give it to him, and then eventually it ends. He takes Juhi Chawla to an villa outhouse somewhere, and that's where he tries to sort of tell her, okay, I'm actually really not a nice guy, and I'm going to have my way with you now. And which is when Shah Rukh comes, and you expect like a clash and a very violent climax scene, but it's all very cute. They're both Juhi Chawla and Shah Rukh, and this is one of my favorite parts of the movie. They're basically finally telling each other that I love you, I love you. It's very nicely done, the whole thing. He's fighting with Aditya Pancholi on the side, but that really never really reaches the level of seriousness that you would expect.
I
And
didn't
that's pretty
expect
much
it to
it.
reach any level of seriousness. I was very happy with the level of comedy in that fight scene and the lightheartedness
I
of it.
was extremely happy with it, but I somehow I remembered in the back of my mind that it gets bloody and violent, and he
खिड़की में
pushes
फेंक
Aditya
देता है.
Pancholi through. But apparently he just breaks a khidki and all the fish come out of. Well, he breaks an aquarium and all the water comes out along with the fish, and Aditya Pancholi just falls. So
It's
it
so
just
nicely done, yeah. It's so
it's a
cute
very
it is.
nicely cute sort of a climax and a cute sort of a movie. Very simply, very nice, really amazing music. I'll
Really
give my
good
first
music.
thoughts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give my first thoughts. I love the movie so much. मतलब मेरे को I don't remember loving this movie this much when I first watched it, but this time around, it's so nice and heartwarming. It really never takes itself too seriously or tries to or isn't even nonsensical to the point you think कि क्या चल रहा है. Like it's not illogical. It's a very
Yeah.
nice rom-com. It's very nice, very nicely done. acting is superb. Like everybody's acted well. Yeah, bloody that Aditya Pancholi guy has also done the role of an asshole.
मतलब उसकी आंखों में ही ठहरक है यार, मतलब वो
हाँ,
कैमरे पे लुक भी करते तो मुझे लगता है ये बस आदमी ही करके है,
it's but like I'm smiling thinking of the movie. Like I felt so nice while watching it. कि मतलब कितना अच्छा लग रहा है movie देख के, the
very
songs,
feel good
everything.
watch. Like
है ना,
everything
very feel
about
good
it.
watch.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think it's very feel good till the climax, and uske baad to it just doubles on it. You feel so nice when it gets over because it never really gets serious, and you feel so happy कि सब कुछ अच्छा हुआ. The only complaint with the only complaint with the movie is that Aditya Pancholi never really gets his comeuppance right. The
Yeah.
only thing he loses out is on sleeping with Juhi Chawla. His wife doesn't find out. He doesn't lose his money, or all of background में कुछ हुआ होगा, deleted scenes and all तो पता नहीं. But essentially that's what happens. But yeah, that's my thought. Really love the movie overall. Preeti, what about you? Your first thoughts? How do you like it the first time you watched it? When did you watch it? And how do you feel about it now?
यार मैंने बचपन में देखी है ऑब्वियसली एक दो बार, बहुत मतलब ऐसे आई रिमेम्बर दिस मूवी बिट्स एंड पार्ट्स में। अडल्टहुड में दोबारा से देखना ऐसे एक्टिवली नहीं याद है, मतलब आई डिडंट रिमेम्बर अ लॉट ऑफ द थिंग्स इन द मूवी, सो आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव वॉच्ड इट इन द लास्ट 15 years or like 10-15 years or so, but मेरे को तब भी अच्छी लगती थी। ऑनेस्टली द म्यूजिक इज लाइक all the songs of this album are really like very important to me for some reason, like all the dreams etc, like dreams etc, वो क्या बोल रही हो मतलब, but the song जो भी मैं चाहूँ वो मैं चाहूँ, it's like my up song for me, like all of that. But yeah, like now of course amazing amazing rewatch. I had a bad week, so watching it when we did, and honestly the movie starts with एक दिन हम मिल जाएंगे एक, so I think when the movie starts with such, it puts me in such ease. Shah Rukh and Juhi are so dreamy in that song sequence, so I am already put at ease. So I was
that's
just imagining.
amazing way to start. It's you're so right. You watch it and you feel अरे कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. It's calm. It's very nice,
You
right?
feel like कि कुछ अच्छा देखने आया है, मतलब कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है.
Yeah.
So I think I just went into it with that feeling. तो गाना मुझे बहुत पसंद है, मैंने बहुत अपने मेरे Instagram पे गाया हुआ है. Like it's like very dear song to me. But in general, such dreaminess to the movies, entrance and everything, just so beautiful. I'm already feeling कि सब अच्छी चीजें होंगी, अच्छे simp करना है बस. I just enjoyed it so much. I was smiling through and through. So many cute things to talk about. Also, like I really loved the fact that this movie is talking about the 90s aspirational youth with such, I don't know, there's some modernity to how they represent it in some way. There is not a lot of judgment even when they are talking about Juhi's character and all that. सबके सपने हैं, सब फ्रैंक बातें कर रहे हैं, मतलब वो सभी मुझे काफी वो लिबरलाइज्ड इंडिया, सबके सपने बड़े हो रहे हैं बट अपॉर्चुनिटीज ज्यादा नहीं है. That kind of thing is also touched upon very cutely, like not really in a very, they don't dig deep into it so that you come out of the comfort of the movie. But on and on, I really like adored Shah Rukh Khan so much in the movie. Oh my god, so everything he did, every move he made, I was like, take my heart, just ले लो यार, मतलब बड़े मजे आए मेरे को देख के.
Yeah, I think this is the cutest SRK that I've seen in any movie. मतलब I think every 5 minutes I was just like sending a message on the group saying, guys, he's so cute, because everything he's doing is just like, whether it's in conversation with Juhi, or like, when he's doing something for her, when he's thinking about her, when he's talking about her when she's not there, everything is just so wholesome, so heartwarming. Like, matlab, there is that kind of shadow in the background that like he's doing this because he's ambitious and he's मतलब वो गलत रास्ते पे ले जा रहा है उसकी boss की मदद कर रहा है and all that, but there's still some innocence to it, you know, because like मतलब वो ऐसे especially slowly as he starts realizing कि मतलब you know जो मैं अपने बॉस की हर बात मानता हूँ, मे बी नहीं मानना चाहिए, और वो धीरे धीरे आता है, like it doesn't like you know flip, it comes very slowly, like it will start with some one or two snarky remarks, then it'll come 5 or 6 snarky remarks, and then immediately it's like, you know what, fuck this guy, I'm not letting him do shit. And I loved that transition. I felt like it was not just a very enjoyable like and fun movie, it was a really good movie. Like it was well made end to end, like except for, as Diggy said, the fact that Aditya Pancholi did not really seem to get enough punishment for his deeds. Which would have been a nice conclusion at the end, like, you know, just at least having Kashmira Shah walk in and, you know, having the viewers, leaving the viewers with the thought that ठीक है, मतलब probably छोड़ देगी उसको, उसके दौलत से उसका मतलब नाम हटा देगी या जो भी, but that didn't happen. But other than that, everything was just so nice. Like it was such a feel good film. Like I don't remember when was the first time I saw this movie. I'm sure I've seen it because देख देख के थोड़ा थोड़ा याद आ रहा था, and like I knew the story broadly. I knew कि मतलब बहुत cute movie है, but इतनी cute movie है मुझे नहीं याद थी, और मुझे बहुत मजा आया देखने में. Like just such a heartwarming film.
I think this is one of my best experience, like best parts about doing this podcast and watching these movies, is that these movies sort of hit you unexpected. You know it's a good movie because you've
Yeah.
read it's a good movie, right? You know it's, you've also remember watching it as a child, or you know when you were in school or something, and you remember कि हाँ अच्छी थी. But then you see it in its entirety and you feel, oh my god, like even with my like 30-year-old lens of watching movies now, I still like it so much and it feels so nice.
And
Basically
you find,
rediscovering everything.
yeah, you
Yeah.
find different things to like about it also, right? Like what Preeti said about liberal aspirations and all that. अब obviously बचपन में ये सब तो नहीं तुमने सोचा होगा कि मतलब उस जमाने में ये चीजें लोगों के दिमाग में होती थी, and now when you watch it you can appreciate it a little more, that like it's showing that middle class aspirational feel
Yeah,
to
because
it.
you're also in that similar stage of life where you are also working professional. Obviously, you also want to earn more money, do better in life, and it's more relatable, all these things. And yeah, I mean, that part about, you know, there's no judgment on Juhi's choices as well, that she also buys into the idea of marrying rich.
Yeah.
And it's very simply done. If Shah Rukh can do all those things for money, why can't
Yeah.
Juhi? And
That was a very
And
unexpected part of the movie for
very
me.
unexpected.
I did
but
not
हाँ,
see that coming. Like
इतना
that
बड़ा
मतलब
social commentary ऐसे आ जाएगा
हाँ.
out of the blue in this movie, नहीं सोचा था. And I felt, and it was so, it didn't seem like, you know, a very common complaint, and something that I also feel at points is that some of the times these things seem forced. People are saying these
too on
things
the
because,
nose.
yeah, there's because these things are supposed to be said and no other reason. Like they don't really play into the plot really, but इसमें ऐसा नहीं था. And it's also
हाँ.
just one dialogue, right? It's not really big deal, but
No,
they
but
do make it a point to sort of put it there, and
But
it
it was
flows very nicely.
impactful. Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah,
it's impactful. I'm just saying it's not like a huge part of the story, but it's there and it's impactful.
Yeah.
and I wanted to say that I really also love that it's the mother who's saying it. And beach mein when Kashmira, what's her name in the movie? Sheila. So Sheila and Pancholi. I don't remember what Pancholi's name was.
Siddharth.
But
लेकिन ये
oh,
50 बार
yeah.
बोला है इंट्रोडक्शन के टाइम पे.
हाँ
I
यार,
kept I
सुनते नहीं
remember
हो
because I was like ये सिद्धार्थ कौन है? Who is Siddharth? सिद्धार्थ पंचोली नहीं. I was so confused.
Makes sense, of course. But yes, so when Sid and Sheila come to the dinner to their house, where Sheila is the one who is supposedly modern, rich, all of that, वो पूछती है उससे जूही से कि अब तुम्हारी शादी हो जाएगी, लाइक हो गई है, शादी के बाद अब तुम मॉडलिंग छोड़ दोगी, काम छोड़ दोगी. So I found that interesting. Like I found it really amazing that she, who's the young girl, all of that is just being snarky about the middle class stuff and being अच्छा नौकरी नहीं करते शादी के बाद and all that. And the mother-in-law, in fact, is saying, "Oh, my son can have aspiration. Why can't this girl have aspirations?" She's from another generation. But like that contrast, even though these are just one or two dialogues, maybe I don't remember like noticing them as a child, of course. But
Of
they
course,
aren't
yeah.
really, as you said, forced at all. They just go flow into the movie very naturally. Even the whole honeymoon पे वो जो उसके कमरे में घुस जाते हैं I thought that was also pretty modern for its time. मैंने कपड़े नहीं पहने हैं, मैं ऊपर नहीं उठ के आ सकता हूँ, all that जब वो शीला को बोलता है. I thought I don't remember seeing a lot of like such, even though it's done a little comically, I did think it's a little, I don't know, modern for 90s.
Actually,
I
we tend to think of those movies in 90s as not liberal, not modern, but a lot of them were quite suggestive and quite sort of innuendo-full. And उसमें हाँ, like we because we were one not old enough to recognize a lot of things. Two, also we were protected it from a lot of things by our parents. But you see a lot of movies in late 90s, early 2000s. There's a lot of stuff there which you feel, oh, damn.
yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
And I mean,
Yeah.
I actually feel like it's maybe also a product of its time, in the sense that maybe what we consider raunchy for the 90s wasn't really raunchy for the 90s. I'm not sure how to express this, but yeah, I didn't feel like that scene was out of place for a 90s movie at all. Like it actually I felt like if that was in a 2020 film or a 2010s film, it would have been way more explicit, which it wasn't, right? Like which is maybe a reflection of that 90s period. But yeah, I mean, like you said, right, liberalization era, there were college kids in that era too. There were people having fun doing shit, like, so
But क्या तो cuteness ही cuteness थी यार उसमें भी. Like in that scene, Shahrukh wearing a nightie has to be like I adored it so much. And
That scene,
hats off.
yeah,
Yeah.
that scene is how I really understood why people call Shahrukh baby girl. And that is how I really understood. That's how I really understood what baby girl actually means. Like Nisha has been trying to explain to me, this is what it is, this is what it is. मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था. I saw that scene, I'm like, okay, yes, this is why, this is why he's baby girl.
yeah, I think it's also
Finally,
just he's so comfortable in his own definition of masculinity, in his own definition of
yeah,
what it means to be a man, what it means to be like considered sexy and attractive. He's so comfortable with himself that like I find that quality of his just so it's just so charismatic and so attractive on him. Like I think that's very unique to Shah Rukh Khan in the film industry, at least. I feel like I haven't seen at least a lot no other mainstream male actor being that comfortable with it. Yeah, like मतलब वो मतलब शाहरुख खान ही कर सकता
उस
है.
time पे तो नहीं, because that was a time of, well, that was a time before,
Yeah, आज
slightly
के
before
दिन में
that,
भी
action heroes and all of that.
yeah,
आज के
आज के
दिन
दिन
में
में
यार
भी
वो
if
बहुत
Ranveer Singh does something like this, he will immediately follow it up with something like kind of macho right after. Like, matlab, if you take just Ram Leela as an example, maybe like he's he's doing a lot of funny stuff. He's wearing these costumes and matlab Rocky Rani में ठीक है फिर भी थोड़ा machismo कम था, but he's also then playing this kind of patriarchal character and like washboard abs and like just very 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 macho image of masculinity, which I've never felt with Shah Rukh. Like even in a Pathan or a Jawan, I felt like he was not taking himself too seriously ever. I don't know if I'm making a lot of sense right now. I'm maybe just
I mean, you are, but there's also a bit of bias, which is absolutely
yeah.
valid and agreed
no, but
upon. But I think it
like
has changed from before. कि ठीक है, actors are more comfortable in being slightly more feminine, because see, consider actors like Rajkumar Rao and Ayushmann Khurrana and all of these people, like they're doing
Yeah,
very way
they're
different movies,
good
right?
examples. Yeah.
They're good. So that's also the new crop of actors, but maybe the stars right now,
That's what
yeah,
I'm talking about.
probably.
Like they're good actors and like well known within their own right, but they're not superstars. They're not Shah Rukh Khan. They're not like let's say Amitabh Bachchan, Salman Khan, Amir Khan. None of them would do something like this, is what I'm trying to say.
And even
Yeah.
if they do, it will feel like when Shah Rukh was in that 90 or he was in that song Aji Suniyo To, wearing all this Joker ke kapde, and then he's wearing lungi to make her laugh and becoming a musician, all of that, those things that he's doing, like you don't feel at any point it's like
Awkward.
it's a very thin, it's a thin line of being funny and being cringy or like off-putting and all that.
Yeah.
It never ever feels in for a second. Like for me, the 90 scene is like so cute because he's twirling in it and all of that. It's so naturally and sweetly done that it doesn't at all feel कि उसने कुछ effort डाला है उसमें कुछ करने के लिए.
Yeah.
Anybody else doing it could really feel अबे यार ये क्या बकवास है, all of that. So I think
Yeah.
that's what we talk about when we call him a baby girl. He's such
not,
a baby girl in this movie.
He's not awkward at all in any of those scenes.
Also, guys, did you notice in the movie, whenever there's slightly serious scene in Shah Rukh's imagination or otherwise, Karan Arjun ka music bajta hai. And not just any music, it's the action background music which plays in extremely intense moments, like the climax when they're fighting Amrish Puri, or when they're being killed by those two weird assholes, जिनसे लड़ रहे होते हैं, Shamsher and whatever. That music is playing in Yes Boss. Like for a second, I thought कि YouTube का print corrupt होगा यार. Obviously, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. But that's played in multiple
नहीं, you guys mentioned it,
instances.
the Karan Arjun thing also, and I think you said Godfather also, no? जिसका theme बज रहा है कहीं पे. मैंने तो नहीं notice किया, मतलब but मेरे को पता भी नहीं है कि करण अर्जुन का action background music कैसा था. वो सब तो मैं याद नहीं रखती. So that I didn't
अरे
notice.
करण अर्जुन का तो बहुत iconic है ना मेरे दिमाग में तो, because I've seen it so many times and just like the movie so much.
And
But it was,
Godfather बॉलीवुड ने बहुत किया है, बहुत
हाँ
movies
actually I
में.
realized I think अकेले हम अकेले तुम उसमें यूज होता है, तो
हाँ.
वही वाली ट्यून उन्होंने वापस ही यूज कर ली है. There was a I think I because I just saw this reel जिसमें Al Pacino is entering at the Oscars
ये
and
मैं हूँ,
पीछे
वो मैं हूँ, because मैं सोच रही हूँ ये राजा को रानी से प्यार हो गया क्यों बज
yeah
रहा है Al Pacino
exactly
में?
he's entering to Godfather's theme.
I'm like, राजा को रानी ये क्या हो रहा है? Why is this happening? I didn't hear a lot of English music growing up, so for me this was a revelation.
Yeah, and which is like true for like a lot of people, right? तुम कौन Godfather की थीम सुन रहा है यार बैठ के घर पे अपने?
Yeah, I've never
But
noticed this.
also,
I'm learning this today, so no idea.
Try doing this Godfather theme and then doing राजा को रानी से प्यार हो गया. It is eerily similar. सोचा है पूरे Godfather copy कर दिया. And of course that comes up slightly in small background music parts in Yes Boss also.
लेकिन वो पुरानी मूवीज में मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है कि जो अगला गाना आने वाला है उसके 5 मिनट पहले they will start using the music drop as a BGM. Like इतनी बार हो रहा था कि जब मैं कोई ऐसा गीत आने वाला था तो वो बैकग्राउंड में आने लग गया, चूड़ी बजी है आने वाला था तो वो बैकग्राउंड में आने लग गया. Like I was just so prepared कि अब गाना आएगा, and I was thinking about it कि because music was such a big thing to make a movie hit at that time. You would always want to hook people with the next song so that they don't get bored. Or I'm not sure if that's the idea, but
that makes sense.
I was so excited every time the music would change. Like when मैं कोई ऐसा गीत आने वाला था उससे 2 मिनट पहले they started ting like it would just play and I just feel so hyped up. Oh yes, मेरा गाना आने वाला है next. So I found that really like I miss it a lot, and like now I guess it's just overdone now, but the innocence of the backdrop is just I was always like too hyped up in this movie with the music.
I like how Preeti
even
was
when
like
I'm talking about it I'm feeling
I like how Preeti was like मेरा गाना आने वाला है, and every गाना is her गाना. So before every song she's like मेरा गाना आने वाला है. ये भी मेरा गाना है, ये भी मेरा गाना है.
Preeti like probably has a personal connection slash story with all songs. ये
Every
मेरा
song.
गाना, ये वाला गाना, yeah.
Yeah. Like I can actually like हाँ यार मतलब मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं I feel is like ultimate romantic song for me यार like
Please,
sadly
हाँ.
I've tried to
Three
dedicate
episodes
this
later,
song to
you'll say the
also
same for some other romantic song. DDLJ में तो तुम बोलोगे ये तो मेरी राम कथा है. Please, ultimate romantic song.
like वो गाना जब वो बोलता है सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं बस इतना सा खाब like I have grown listening to the song thinking कि ये मैं like क्या मैं बन जाऊं सबसे बड़ा is like it's my dream like you know all
And
of it's more very, very personal.
speaking of that song,
हाँ
उस
बोलो
गाने में वो मन्नत के सामने एक सीन आता है. Like I mentioned, I think while we were watching, but मैंने
yeah
notice नहीं किया because Mannat looks very different today than it did back then, just because of all the security and everything. But
Yeah.
yeah, that is Mannat. Like he had not yet bought the house. Back then it was called something else. I'm forgetting Villa something. And वहाँ पे apparently बहुत Bollywood movies वगैरह की shooting भी होती थी. Like the person who owned it used to rent it out and stuff, and that bungalow comes in that, you know, bas itna sa khwab hai
yeah
song, and then he goes on to buy it. Like I think that is so cool.
That whole song is like
manifestation
manifestation, भाई. मतलब उसने जो बोला वो सब कर दिया उसने रियल लाइफ में, लिटरली वर्ड फॉर वर्ड.
सही में यार जावेद अख्तर wrote such beautiful songs that are more or less destiny for Shah Rukh, like be it Badshah, be it Bas Itna Sa Khwab Hai, like I'm just like, yeah, this is
Thank
like
you.
I want this level of manifestation. Thank you, Javed ji, for the level of manifestation that you did for all of us. Too cute.
Did you guys notice the fashion in the movie? Like I know the ties firstly that Shah Rukh wore, everything was so colorful and so fun. Like just the prints were so exciting. Like, and that there's very few men's outfits that can I don't know, generate that kind of excitement. So I was really happy with Shah Rukh's tie wardrobe, at least in the movie.
Yeah. He wore such different ties. The Marilyn Monroe one, the America one,
Yeah,
then there is some
yeah.
other stuff that
बहुत
he
मतलब
wears.
funky floral prints and polka dots. मैं बाद में जाके I was like trying to identify each of the ties and see like कि मतलब क्या characters है वगैरह वगैरह. But yeah, that was so cool.
I think overall like the fashion choices were quite good in the movie.
Yeah,
Also, I
Juhi's
felt
outfits were also very cute. Even
yeah.
Pancholi had nice ties. Like as in he didn't
Yeah,
have like
even
iconic
Pancholi had
ties, but he had
colourful
nice
ties.
ones. Yeah.
I mean, he was dressed well, like, suits and
Yeah.
everything. He's supposed to be extremely rich, so you're at least spend the money correctly.
But you don't
But
see
like,
funky ties on
Obviously.
people, right? You see very plain, simple, striped at max, maybe polka dots. But generally, people keep solids, especially when they're rich. So that was nice to see that, like, you know, उस time पे इस तरह का भी लोग पहन लेते थे.
हाँ, like उसके ऑफिस में वो इतना बड़ा लिप्स का कुछ तो the red popping object, I'm not sure. Like 90s had a strange obsession with big lips props in offices and horse stables. I'm thinking of Karan Arjun.
Karan Arjun में वो बड़े से
like
lips
it's
का पीछे board
Yeah.
होता है.
yeah.
I think it
So,
might
like,
have something to
it's
do with like either the
colorful.
Rolling Stones or there was that there was a Rocky Horror Picture Show which was very famous on Broadway. I don't know if it was there back then, but it could have something to do with that, like some Hollywood influence.
Rolling Stones is the tongue, no?
हाँ,
Lips
but
भी
lips
आते
भी
हैं
तो है.
हाँ, but lips नहीं है तो है.
हाँ.
अरे मतलब the
है
tongue
नहीं है.
is अबे
Yeah,
lips तो
but
होंगे ही of
I
course. अगर
I
tongue
love
है
how
तो
we are
yeah,
digressing. I also
Cool.
wanted to talk about one small thing before we get into the major simp moments. I think we have 10, 15, 20,000 simp moments today. Before that, I wanted to talk about a couple of scenes where Shah Rukh is little, like he's serious and psychotic, and he's like one such scene is before Chudi Baji Hai comes. He's in front of the mirror, and वो सिंदूर को अपनी नाक पे लगा रहा है लाइक अ जोकर, एंड ही इज लाइक लुकिंग एंड ही इज एंग्री, और उसके सपने में
And
भी
drunk.
या नहीं, ड्रंक सीन तो अलग है, देयर आर टू सीन ना, ड्रंक सीन तो डिफरेंट है,
It's not
बट
the drunk
बोथ ऑफ
scene?
देम आर मिरर सीन्स एक्चुअली. नो नो,
Oh wow.
या
Okay.
दे आर डिफरेंट सीन्स, एंड बोथ ऑफ देम आर एक्चुअली मिरर सीन्स व्हिच आई रियली एंजॉयड, दैट वो ड्रंक है तो भी वो he's some sort of consciousness is coming. वो मुझसे प्यार नहीं करेगी क्योंकि मैं तो मिडिल क्लास हूँ, ऑल ऑफ दैट उसके सपने हैं, मेरे को थोड़ी देखेगी. And then this time he's putting that sindoor in his nose, so that just he's looking at himself like he's a joker because he's made a joke of his life by so-called having a nakli shadi and all that. That's how I read the scene. But वो मतलब बहुत छोटे छोटे से scenes हैं, they're done softly, but the seriousness जब वो बोलता है उसको मुझे जानवर मत बनाओ, like he's just batshit crazy, he can lose it at some point, so it's very. Yeah,
That
That
was,
I
was
found
yeah,
that
that.
that
just
scene
took a
just seemed
turn.
like it existed in a separate universe from Yes
Yeah.
Boss, because Rahul, that character saying जूही चावला कि मैं अपनी माँ को लाइक चोट पहुंचता हुआ नहीं देख सकता, इसलिए मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ और मुझे जानवर बनने में मजबूर मत करो. दैट सीन, ये कौन बोल रहा है यार? You भी
ये
This is
तो
almost like
कौन सी
a
लड़की
opposite
याद
to
आ
this.
गई.
throwback to Dar or something, like, you know, that हमने ये भी film की
it's
थी कभी भी.
true. It just seems so off and so weird. And of course, props to Shahrukh because he does that complete switch and all the way back instantly so well. Because I also feel, again, to my original point, psychotic nature is his natural nature. तो वो आराम से कर लेता है. Okay.
मतलब
Do you guys want to just talk about all the all the same moments you feel?
यार, the
There
whole
were so
movie,
3
many.
hours.
There were so
3
many.
hours, the whole
It's so
movie,
difficult.
every scene, like, you know, from even when Juhi is not there, like when he's giving Kashmira the piano, even that scene, I was like, क्या प्यारा बंदा है यार, मतलब हरामी काम कर रहा है, but क्या प्यारा बंदा है. Like the whole
I'll tell
film
you
was just so cute.
the one moment I felt. So I mean, it is throughout extremely simply, insanely cute and everything, right? But there was one scene जिसमें I keep trying to I keep identifying scenes जिसमें acting उसकी बहुत ही ज्यादा झलक के आ रही है. All this process of watching movies have made me re-emphasize कि he's a wonderful actor. Uh, there's one scene where Juhi and Shahrukh are just in the car. He gets out and he's going to his home, and turns out his mother is actually there, and she doesn't know that he's faking a marriage with Juhi. So वो मजाक मजाक कर रहा है, sort of jumping around, laughing, and then she sees his mother, and she expects that her, her daughter-in-law is going to enter the house. तो पूजा वूजा का पूरा celebration हो रखा है. And you see that, see his expressions, his eyes completely just change, and sort of उसका voice change हो जाता है. He tells Juhi के ये हमारे लिए हो रहा है, come out, तुम्हें ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. And he's desperately trying to convince her. You see that desperation in his voice. कि please, 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 do this for my mother, do this for my mother, please, 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 बस तुम आ जाओ, अभी आगे चलो. And that switch from that happy-go-lucky Rahul guy that you've seen till now to this guy who's also a son, desperate to keep his mother happy and in good health. That switch I felt was very, very well done. And that there's a thousand other same moments there in the movie, but this one felt uh it felt really
Wow,
well done.
yeah.
Yeah.
Disha, can we do top 3, top 5? I don't know.
I
One is
can't. I
like
really can't. Like, okay, I will just say one at random that comes to mind is when वो करवा चौथ के time पे when he realizes कि उसने actual में करवा चौथ का व्रत रखा है,
Oh
and he
God,
looks
what a
so
scene.
crestfallen, and then he's so
Yeah.
apologetic, and then she puts the chhanni on his head, and it's so cute. It was so cute. I was just so flat for SRK in this film, yaar. Like, what can I say?
Yeah.
okay, I will not be able to say one. So I will probably
Say
say
three.
2, 3. Yeah, because I can't stop gushing over how cute he is in this movie. But I think that scene when they are having this date kind of thing, hostel के बाद नारियल पानी पी रहे हैं दोनों साथ में, बातें कर रहे हैं, talking about their future aspirations, all of that. और जूही बोलती है सपना देखना कोई गलती तो नहीं है something, and then she says कि क्या मेरा सपना पूरा होगा, and then he says आज पूनम की रात है, आज इतने 8 बज रहे हैं या 9 जितने भी बज रहे हैं, like something. I like the way he says it. तो पक्का पूरा होगा, किसने कहा है? किसी ने तो कहा है, like जैसे भी, like it is just so, oh my god, the way he looks at her when he's saying it, it is just, my heart was like, where is my Poonam ki raat? It just was so cutely. And even like the scenes where he's not with Juhi, as Diksha said, the whole वो एक सीन है जब वो उसके यहाँ रुमाल लेके, मतलब उसको मैसेज बताना है, बट वो जो मसाज बोलता है, the whole Nepali stereotype that these guys tried to play. But even that scene is so, like, it's done so cutely. मैं मसाज दूंगा, फिर वो बोलता है अच्छा ठीक है तुम पेन पेपर दो, पेपर भी नहीं लेके आया जो भी, and then he writes on the back of his, like, the security guard's back रुमाल पे, and then वो बोलता है अच्छा मैं मुड़ूंगा तो तुम चले जाओगे, तो मुझे कैसे पता है? then वो उसको अपनी टाई पकड़ाता है. Like I found that scene for some reason just too cute कि अच्छा ठीक है तुम टाई पकड़ो. Like I don't know, I just like found like even all the scenes with the guy who wants to be what's his name यार, तो हम 5 वाला जो बंदा है,
I don't know his
I'm
actor's
No
forgetting.
name,
idea.
but yeah, actor's name. He's a legendary actor, but don't know his name.
हाँ, जब बोलता है वो उससे बोलता है लड़का होके डर लगता है किससे, लड़की से, और something like they have this cute like stuff going on, like they are all चेला बनूंगा तो तेरा बनूंगा or something like that. Like they're always so beautifully, like they're so cute. Everybody's like, every time I see Shah Rukh on screen, I'm just like yes, this, like please take my everything I have in my being. I'm just too enamored by your presence.
I think this
It
is
just
definitely going to be like a comfort watch for me in the future. मतलब कभी I didn't
हाँ,
realize कि मतलब कितना wholesome movie है, कितना अच्छा feel होता है देख के वो.
like the only reason it wasn't like a constant rewatch for me because I had that scene in my mind where he's pushing Aditya Pancholi through glass and getting all bloody. तो मैं कहा यार वो थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाएगा, नहीं देखना मुझे. But I watched this now and like if I have to say like another same moment is the whole climax scene. यार it is like see it's without mincing words, it starts off with Pancholi trying to force himself on Juhi Chawla, right? That's how it starts, and you feel this is taken a suddenly very dark turn. But then they sort of it doesn't really remotely go there, and there's a funny sequence with Gulshan Grover. Then even when SRK is coming in, and this is where again this comfort with his masculinity is there, right? When he's playing the trope is there, the guy coming to save the girl, right? That whole trope is there, but it's all done so nicely. There's no
Yeah.
more, right? There's no okay, I'm such a strong guy trying to save you and everything like that. It's just and
Yeah,
and
he doesn't
okay,
even
one
focus
more
on
scene.
the fight. Like
Yeah,
he just
yeah,
मतलब he keeps brushing Pancholi aside कि मतलब ये तू जा यहाँ से, like fight is going on,
yeah.
but he's more focused on talking to Juhi. Like he's more focused on expressing his feelings and
That's
ensuring
his.
that conversation takes place. And it's so cute. It was my favorite action sequence with Shah Rukh Khan till date.
Yeah. And so that one scene, and like I'm such a Bollywood fan. I love these extra filmy scenes, right? Like screw reality. I don't want to watch that. Just give me slow motion romance and action scenes all day. So there's one scene where sort of he's getting beaten up, and then Juhi Chawla says, "I love you," and then वो wind flow करती है उसकी हवा में, slow motion हो जाता है, and he blocks Pancholi's punch and punch him back slowly, and looks at Juhi Chawla while he's doing it. It is such a good scene. Like वो peak Bollywood. I'm so happy
Filmy
at this.
Max. Yeah.
Filmy Max. Like मुझे नहीं देखना है यार reality, मुझे यही देखना है सब.
This
That's
reminded
so
me of one
nicely
more
done.
small thing, Diggy. कि वो डिनर पे बुलाते हैं ना, जब उनको वो शादी वाले कॉस्ट्यूम में होती है जूही, एंड देन शी सेज मैं कैसी लग रही
शादी
हूँ
वाला
ऑल दैट।
कॉस्ट्यूम नहीं कहते हैं प्रीति
तो
उसको।
जो उनके लिए कॉस्ट्यूम भी है यार,
चलो
मतलब
वो
ठीक है।
परफॉर्मेंस कर
ठीक
रहे
है,
हैं,
ठीक
they are not really married, they are putting on a performance, so fair enough, Preeti.
कॉस्ट्यूम ओके।
तो वो उसको बोलती है मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ जुबी, तो वो उसको बोलता है एकदम देसी घी से बनाई हुई बहू लग रही हो एकदम। अब वो फिर बाद में शीशे में देखते हैं एक दूसरे को, हम दोनों बढ़िया लगते हैं, लाइक समथिंग समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट ही सेज, एंड दे बोथ लुक
जोड़ी
इनटू द
जोड़ी जमती है,
मिरर।
समथिंग लाइक दैट।
हाँ, and they're so, like that scene is done with such cuteness, like it's very slow motion सा है, दोनों स्माइल कर रहे हैं, वो चला जाता है उसके बाद भी जो ही एकदम शर्मा रही है, all of that, like I just want, hi, so cute यार।
This episode could be a fun drinking game. We should put a disclaimer in the description saying take a shot every time one of us says cute.
Yeah,
Oh God, yeah, that's true. But yeah, lots of simp moments
बिल्कुल,
have been discussed.
lots of sim moments. See, I think, well, go ahead, rate it out of 5.
I think 4, 3.5, 4.
Will you watch it again?
Yeah, definitely. I'll watch it again.
Will you watch if anybody else says Shah Rukh Khan?
No, definitely not. I don't think I've ever been clearer on this with a Shah Rukh film before, but I will not watch this film with anyone else in it. Just out of pure spite कि मतलब ऐसी film बना के इसमें शाहरुख खान को कैसे नहीं डाल सकते हो? I would not watch.
Yeah. What about you, Preeti? Rate it out of 5.
Oh, 4.5 4.5 actually. I really enjoyed it. Like I have no complaints. It made me feel so good. I can't tell. I will not watch it if anybody even dare to touch it.
Oh my God. Oh shit. The level of gravitas.
प्रीति के अंदर का
Preeti's
राहुल
voice.
मेहरा निकल के आ रहा है अभी। तुम्हारी इतनी जुर्रत कि तुम यस बॉस को छू सकते हो।
कर ही नहीं सकते, मतलब no chance. I will not watch it for anybody else. Will rewatch it again and again, now more so because it just it made me so happy. I can't tell you. Diggy.
Yeah, 4.5, yeah, very easy 4.5. Like it checks all the boxes like I want to watch in a movie, right? It's amazing music, amazing acting, very good story. Really feel nice. It has a lot of rewatchability factor. The only reason it's not a 5 is because
Aditya
I
Pancholi
saw
did
Ba-
not.
I mean that's fine. It's just I saw Bazigar recently and that was a 5 for me. And like
Ah,
Bazigar like blew me over like anything. कि भाई ये क्या ही movie बना दी है. So it just doesn't match that level, but
Diggy
in
still on
everywhere else.
the 0 to Bazigar scale.
0 to
Zero.
Bazigar.
That's what we're functioning with anyways. But yeah, 4.5 easily will not rewatch without Shah Rukh. Chance ही नहीं है.
Okay, by the way, you
Because
can watch it on YouTube.
oh shit,
Again,
of course.
we did not mention it, but the whole film is available on YouTube. It's a pretty decent print. So
And
if you
Sony
want
Live
to,
as well. Sony Live
Yeah,
as
it's
well.
on Sony Live.
Yeah.
और Sony Live में शायद से गाने थोड़े ऐसे abruptly नहीं कट रहे होंगे. I
हाँ,
haven't
YouTube में
watched it
थोड़े
there.
थोड़े random
हाँ.
cuts हैं गानों में. True. Maybe watch it on Sony Live and let us know if you so feel the need to.
okay, are
Yeah.
you guys ready for the quiz?
I am so not.
Dreading
I
it.
know I'm going to lose because Diksha is going to make a tough ass quiz and Preeti remembers everything and मेरे को नहीं आएगा कुछ.
Dreading it. मैंने सिर्फ सिप किया है इस मूवी में. मेरे को let's see. Also, Diggy is very competitive, so I'm scared already.
Yes. So I have rules for the competitiveness. Okay. Basically, मैं क्वेश्चन जब पढ़ रही होंगी तो उसके बीच में if you want to answer, if you know the answer, do not say the answer. Say your name. I will acknowledge. But let me finish the question. And then whoever name was said first, I will say, like if Preeti says Preeti, then I will say Preeti go, and then Preeti gives the answer. Okay. So your buzzer is basically you just saying your name. Okay.
Okay.
And that goes for
Okay.
any answer you want to give after I finish the question also. So if you give the answer out without saying your name and without me saying yes, Digvijay speak or
Oh.
yes, Preeti speak, then that's just too bad. Okay.
Oh shit.
ये तो गलत है.
Okay, I have to remember to say my name.
Yes,
This
remember to
is
say your
fun.
name, otherwise people will steal your answers. Because
my
they're all
name.
very competitive here.
my
And
name. Say
there
my
are
name.
some questions with part points and all that, so I'll tell you before the question.
हाँ
ki
please.
matlab.
Please tell part points before. ये नहीं एक question में 5 point मिल रहे हैं और बाकी 2 question में तो एक point.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
So first question. It has 2 parts to it. ठीक है? Who is the director of this movie and when did he first work with SRK? तुम लोगों को इस मूवी का डायरेक्टर नहीं मालूम?
प्रीति
बोल प्रीति बोल.
Aziz something. Right? Am I saying the name wrong?
You're on the right track.
A से
Aziz what?
पूरा नाम बताना पड़ेगा.
हाँ यार बहुत फेमस डायरेक्टर है.
बिल्कुल याद नहीं आ रहा यार.
I have no idea. मैं attempt भी नहीं कर रहा.
But really, God, I thought this was the easiest one that you guys would get for sure.
मेरे को डायरेक्टर का नाम
Obviously,
याद था
goes to
मुझे,
show
लेकिन अजीज
our
के
level
साथ
of
बात कुछ
preparedness.
याद ही नहीं आ रहा अब मुझे. Like
अच्छा,
my
it's
brain
अजीज
has
मिर्जा.
blanked out.
मतलब
Yes,
काफी फेमस
Aziz
डायरेक्टर है यार. इसने बहुत
Yeah.
मूवीज बनाई है. But ठीक है. I'll give
Don't
Preeti
know.
quarter points for that. Do you know
Quarter
where?
को यार ठीक है यार, मैंने कल दिया था तेरे को पूरा पॉइंट गीता पे.
प्रीति
अरे
ऐसे ये सब
cheating
नहीं
है.
होता है. जो उसने रूल बनाया उसको फॉलो करो. ठीक है.
Yes.
ये क्या है begging for points. Have some respect यार.
Okay, but the
नहीं है.
second part is still up for grabs. If you guys want a hint, I can tell you. So Aziz Mirza worked with Shah Rukh Khan on multiple projects before this.
Yeah.
Note that I said projects, not movies. So can you guess?
Digvijay.
Digvijay, go for it.
So you said project.
So funny.
I'm just gonna take a guess. Was it Fauji?
No.
Ah shit.
प्रीति, is this a circus?
Yes, it was circus.
I wanted to say
It's
circus
the-
यार. अरे यार यही दो चीज तो थी सर्कस. मुझे लगा मैं Fauji
Okay.
बोलूंगा ये सर्कस बोल देगी तो.
Preeti gets 0.75 points for that one.
Okay.
Maths कौन कर रहा है?
अभी
दीक्षा
तुम
करेगी,
याद
वो
रखो
इसने रखा
अपना. ठीक है.
ठीक है. Okay.
Okay, next question. So, SRK wore a lot of different ties in the movie. You saw Marilyn Monroe, which you pointed out. Name one other iconic character that was found on his ties.
Character.
Yaar, don't tell me nobody noticed this. I can give a
मैं
hint. तुम लोग मेरा quiz flop
ठीक
कर रहे हो यार.
तुमने इतना टफ क्विज क्यों बनाया है?
Give hint.
अरे उसने मैरिलन मोनरो नोटिस किया तो मुझे लगा उसने वो वाला भी नोटिस किया होगा.
मैंने तो मैरिलन मनरो भी नहीं नोटिस किया था. तुम लोग बोल रहे हो मैरिलन मैरिलन. मैंने कहा कौन मैरिलन कहाँ से आ गई? तो मैं I'm really horrible at noticing these 10:30 वाला टाइम वाला डिटेल्स एंड मैरिलन मनरो
Okay,
क्लॉक वाला डिटेल्स.
I'll give you a hint.
करना चाहिए यार. प्रीति you are the ace at this.
Yeah, I remember the America, British, I don't know,
नहीं,
some
नहीं,
UK, like some flag
I'll
he
give you a
wore,
hint.
but
I'll give you a hint. So
Yeah.
the character is from a Disney movie. And I'll give you another hint. It's a villain from a Disney movie.
yeah, I wouldn't know a lot of
Digvijay.
Disney stuff.
Digvijay bolo.
Disney movie. Is it Scar?
No, it was not Scar. ठीक है, I will give the answer. It was
Was it the stepmother?
it was Jafar from Aladdin.
Oh, I was उसका
Okay.
नाम भी नहीं याद.
Yeah.
Okay,
मुझे.
next question. अब मुझे लग रहा है ये वाला भी तुम लोगों को नहीं आएगा, but ठीक है, अब मैंने बहुत
Oh,
मतलब I
God.
was very excited about this question, so I'm going to ask.
You ask all your questions. Let people know how ill prepared we are with this quiz.
So when Sheila and Siddharth visit Rahul's house to मतलब when they think they're married and all that, तो Rahul Sheila को एक painting दिखाता है. तो who does he claim is the artist and the muse
Preeti.
of that
Do it.
painting? Preeti बोल.
वो बोलता है सीमा ने बनाई है.
Yes,
नहीं?
that is what he
Yeah.
says. But no, he says that it's a replication of a famous painting by a famous artist. So can you tell me who was the painting of and who was the artist.
ओरिजिनल पेंटिंग मुझे
Guys,
पेंटिंग याद है बट मुझे
I thought someone
Sorry,
would
guys.
notice this. Now I
नहीं
just
wait,
feel
मुझे याद सा आ रहा है ये
I
थोड़ा
can
बहुत
think I can imagine the painting, but I can't remember the painting's name and the painter.
नहीं
Fuck,
this is
my God.
do you want to guess?
yeah, I would guess.
I'm sure you can
He's
guess the painter at least. Like one of you,
MF
whoever.
Hussain, he says
Yes,
MF
it
Hussain.
is MF Hussain.
Yeah,
I'll give
मुझे
you
याद
half a
हल्का सा आ
point
रहा
for
था.
that.
Yeah, thanks.
Correct. Half. And Preeti's at
I'm at
0.75.
0.7.
Oh God, this is
Okay,
a
so
competitive
I'll give you a
quiz, but
hint.
in the opposite direction.
I'll
Who
give you a
sucks
hint.
more?
The muse, जिसकी painting है, is a famous Bollywood actress that MF Hussain was a little obsessed with.
मधुबाला.
नहीं. प्रीति क्या माउथ कर रही है सुष्मिता? नहीं, it's not सुष्मिता.
Shweta came much later, यार.
Okay, ठीक है. I'll tell you, it's Madhuri Dixit.
Oh,
So
I was about to say
there
Madhuri
is
Dixit,
like
I thought.
a
Shit.
series of paintings that MF Hussain has made of Madhuri Dixit. She was one of his favorite muses. This is, I don't know,
Cool.
pop culture trivia for you guys for the future, I guess.
But you're asking कि वो बोलते हैं किसने बनाई है मेरे को लगा वो सीमा ने बनाई है or something like that. यार क्या यार.
Okay, ठीक है. I
ठीक है.
have 2 more questions because I don't want to embarrass myself further with the quiz that I have made that nobody knows the answers to. Diggy's
अरे
at
it's
half
okay
a point
ना,
and
yes.
Preeti's at 0.75 points. So first one, second to last one. Aditya Pancholi plays Shah Rukh Khan's boss in this movie. Which other
Yeah.
movie of Shah Rukh Khan does he play his boss in? It is also an Aziz Mirza film, by the way.
Okay, let me think of all the
We-
movies
we
I've seen them together in.
I'm so done. I'm never setting quizzes again. You guys can set all of them. I will sit and guess.
अरे रुक जाना सोचने
Flamingo.
दे. Wait, let me think about this.
बजर वजर रखने का पॉइंट ही नहीं था. किसी को आंसर ही नहीं
point ही
पता है.
किसी को आता है.
कैसा क्विज बना दिया मैंने.
God. No, wait.
ओके ठीक है.
रुक जाना सोचने दे थोड़ा.
क्या सोचने दे थोड़ा. पॉडकास्ट है डिकी. अनलिमिटेड टाइम
अरे
नहीं
तो-
होता है.
राजू बन गया जेंटलमैन.
No, it was चलते चलते.
नहीं.
So he has a special appearance in the film where he plays Shah Rukh
Oh
Khan's boss.
yeah.
Oh yeah, मालूम था तो क्यों नहीं बोला?
नहीं आता ये मुझे. This was too.
हाँ है मतलब एकदम याद नहीं था. चलते चलते में तो उसका चलते चलते सा ही वो है.
हाँ, चलते चलते मुझे
Appearance.
तो उसको अपना खुद का बिजनेस है ट्रांसपोर्ट का. उसका बॉस क्यों हुआ? तो
Okay, ठीक है. Last
yeah.
question. I hope one of you gets this because I think movie देखते टाइम पे ये point out हुआ था. But during the film, Shah Rukh Khan ends up inadvertently promoting another movie of his, which was about to come. Which movie and what is the scene that I'm referring to?
दिग्विजय.
हाँ, go
परदेस.
ahead. Yes,
परदेस.
correct.
ये बाहर होता है कहते परदेस में भारतीय मतलब
Yeah.
देश की औरत की समथिंग बचाना है.
You
That
got
was
it.
the
You got
dialogue.
it. Yeah. So
Yes.
I thought that he was doing a throwback to Pardes when the scene happened, but later मैंने
But-
जाके देखा कि Pardes came out 1 month after Yes Boss, so he was kind of
Yeah.
promoting Pardes.
कुछ होता है का रेफरेंस नहीं था वो तो बाद
Yeah.
में आई थी वो भी बता देते हैं.
Yes. So
Cool. Did you have more questions?
no,
Which you're not telling us?
I had 1 or 2, but I don't want to say them now.
बोलना it's okay.
यार बोलना प्लीज.
Let's hear them.
Okay. Which Hollywood movie is this based on?
दिग्विजय.
बोलो.
For love or for money.
Yes, correct.
Something like this. Yeah.
Okay, so that gives Diggy 2.5 points and Preeti's at 0.75. I had one more question, but I don't expect you guys to get this now. But वो जो
Ask now.
होटल रूम में बैठ के
yeah.
होटल रूम में
Movie
बैठ
देख रहे
के
होते
वो
हैं
मूवी
वो।
देख रहे होते हैं, वो जो फेक डबिंग करते हैं, उसमें कैरेक्टर्स के नाम क्या थे?
ओ यार, ये नहीं याद. पहले बोल दूंगा. Sort of take a guess. Take it. ये तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं याद.
जूलिया समथिंग.
नहीं.
Am I on the wrong track? नहीं?
You're not. It was Rita and Raju, just by the way. But
कोई चांस ही नहीं है.
okay,
Yeah.
so Diggy wins that quiz, which was super underwhelming. Sorry, guys.
Hey, I win. ठीक है, whatever, I win.
You
On
win
an
with
equal
margins.
platform. I will be as happy as anything in a very tough quiz. I won by a very significant margin. Please let me have this. This is not underwhelming at all. I am very overwhelmed.
Yeah, I
at
was
having won this
very,
quiz.
very
She
excited
is
about
underwhelmed.
the ties
She is
question
underwhelmed.
and the MF Hussain question. Like, especially when he said Madhuri by MF Hussain, I was like, eh. Then I thought you guys knew वो काफी famous pop culture trivia है, but ठीक है. Cool.
Hey, you are the
Okay.
quizzer. Try and
And
think
don't
of it
call
like
me
that.
a quizzer. अभी अपना next week quiz
Amongst
वाला
the three
episode
of
आने
us.
वाला है. Don't want expectations, okay? मेरे को नहीं
Amongst the
आता
three of
शाहरुख खान
us.
trivia. मेरे को figure out करना आता है. So
हाँ तो which is why, right? Which is why you are the quizzer. None of us are. हमारे knowledge base में है तो निकल जाएगा, वो deduce नहीं हो पाएगा.
हम
yeah,
फ्लेमिंगो
okay.
वाले क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. ये सब नहीं, मतलब. Although I'm sad that I didn't get the ties because I noticed a bunch of them. So
टाइस का तो
I
नहीं,
feel
बट वो माधुरी वाला मुझे लग रहा था. माधुरी and Satyaj,
disappointed.
both of them.
Sorry for disappointing you, Diksha.
I'm disappointed in myself, not in you guys.
It's okay.
मैंने
So
वो
we don't need
रीता
to do the
राजू वाला
last.
क्वेश्चन भी लिखते हुए I was like, this is the kind of question that Preeti would ask, and I was like, ये लिखते हैं.
हाँ, I'm surprised Preeti must have been simping hard over SRK यार. उसने कोई भी
Yeah.
details नहीं notice करी ये सब.
हाँ, मतलब मेरे को राजू याद था जब वो राजू बोलती है उसको, ये जो भी लाइक, एंड दैट सीन वाज सो क्यूट कि आधी चीजें तो मैं भूल ही गई. वो मुझे लगा यू लास्ट की वो कौन सी मूवी है वो जो देख रहे होते हैं. दैट वाज समथिंग आई वाज ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट, बट मेरे को खुद को ही नहीं पता चला, तो आई वाजंट श्योर इफ यू नो अबाउट दैट आंसर और नॉट. डू यू नो?
I didn't. They muted it, no? So and they made up the dialogue,
Yeah.
so we no idea. I thought it was like a reference to Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman or something.
Could be.
Could be.
चलो, I don't think we need to do the next episode में कौन सी movie आएगी वाला thing.
Because
Next episode. Is it a surprise or
Because-
are we telling them?
we should tell
Yeah, it's a quiz. I tell them.
we are doing a special quiz episode hosted by Digvijay's friend, and we will come back next week with hopefully a super fun quiz that at least the three of us are really looking forward to. And you guys
And we're able
should
to answer.
try to play along. So yeah, see you next week.
All right. Bye, guys.
See you next week. Bye bye.